Omkareshwar Temple is one of the most famous and highly revered Hindu temples in India, located in Madhya Pradesh. The temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva and is also one of the 12 Jyotirlingas. Here are some interesting facts about Omkareshwar Temple that will leave you stunned. Omkareshwar is one of the 12 Jyotirlinga temples in India which are believed to be self manifested lingas. The name Omkareshwar is derived from the Sanskrit words Om and Kara, meaning Lord. Om shaped island. The temple is set on an island called Mandhata or Shivpuri in the Narmada River. This island is unique as it is shaped as the word Om, which is considered the most sacred sound in Hinduism and represents Lord Shiva. Omkareshwar temple is in the Peshwa architectural style and features intricate carvings and beautiful spires. Omkareshwar temple is a significant pilgrimage destination for devotees of Lord Shiva. Pilgrims from all over India visit the temple to seek the blessings of Lord Shiva. The island on which the temple is located, known as Mandhata, is named after King Mandhata, a legendary figure in Hindu mythology. Legend has it that King Mandhata performed penance here to seek the blessings of Lord Shiva. Pilgrims perform the sacred parikrama, which involves revolving the island. The complete parikrama is approximately 7 kilometers long. The Omkareshwar temple and its surroundings offer stunning views of the Narmada River and the hills around. The temple comes alive during the festivals of Mahashivratri, Shravan month, and Kartik Purnima. Omkareshwar temple is not only a place of worship but also a place of architectural and natural wonder. This is definitely a must visit destination for those interested in culture and history. It is said that Omkareshwar darshan is not complete unless you visit Mamleshwar Mandir. Story behind Mamleshwar is that centuries before, when Narmada river overflows due to rains, Omkareshwar becomes inaccessible and no puja performed for Shivling there. Hence Adi Shankara installed Mamleshwar and performed puja at Mamleshwar when Omkareshwar becomes inaccessible for at least 4 months. Mamleshwar temple is situated right opposite the Omkareshwar temple on the southern bank of the Narmada river. Also known as Amleshwar or Amreshwar temple, the Mamleshwar temple is located on the southern bank of Narmada near the Gomukh Ghat. It is on the mainland. It is widely believed that a pilgrimage to the Omkareshwar isn't complete without paying obeisance to the Amreshwar of Mamleshwar temple, as it is believed to house half of the four Jyotirlinga. The other half is in Omkareshwar temple. According to folklore, the Mamleshwar is the Shiva Lingam built by the Pandavas during their exile from the Mahabharata era. While another popular Omkareshwar lore proclaims that the existence of Mamleshwar Jyotirlinga goes back to Vedic times when Shiva manifested himself as a Jyotirlinga pleased by the penance of the god of Vindhyas. Owing to the huge crowd of sages and devotees who came to visit him, Lord Shiva split himself into two on either side of the river Narmada. While one Jyotirlinga on the island of Mandhata came to be known as Omkareshwar, the other on the mainland of Omkareshwar town came to be known as Mamleshwar. Thanks for watching. Thank you.